Welcome back again to quadratic equation using quadratic formulas. This is going to be our third example. You can go and check the other videos for the first two examples. So here we're going to be looking at, the question says, use the quadratic formula to find the roots of what? 3y squared plus 8y plus 2. Now we can use any alphabet here. You can use 3c, 3c, 3d, 3f. Just know that the roots you are looking for are those alphabets, either x or y or z or however it is represented. So for here, this is our question using y instead of the usual x that you're used to. So with this now says find roots using what? Quadratic formula. So what's our quadratic formula? Our quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, right? And I've always told us to try to identify our a, our b, and our c. So from here, like I said, always try to represent it as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it means here our a is what? Our a is 3, right? Our b is what? 8. And our c is what? 2. So now look at this. How do we represent this side here? We have to put it inside our place. So we now have this as what? Minus what? Minus b is what? 8. Plus or minus the square root of b is what? 8 squared minus 4. Like I said, it's good to always open the brackets, not to confuse yourself. It's good to always open the bracket. 4 times our a is what? 3 times c is 2. This square root and covers everything. All over 2 times our a is what? 3. Right? This is our representation. So we now come here. So we expand it further. So we have this as what? Minus 8 plus or minus the square root of a squared is what? 64. 64 minus open brackets. Open brackets. We have 3 times 2 is 6, right? 6 times 4. 24. 24. 24. All over what? 2 times 3, 6. So we now continue. We've expanded that. So we now have minus 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 24 is 40. All over 6. Okay? So now again, we have done something where we try to look at the possibility of 40. Can we find the square root of 40 directly? No, 40 does not have a direct square root. So we now ask, okay, is there something that can enter that we can find the square root of when we get something? Okay, let's try. We first try with small numbers. We try with 4 first. And 4 going to this. Yes, 4 into 40 is what? 10 times. 4 times 10 gives 40. It means you can reduce this further just to simplify our work. So we have these as equal to what? Minus 8. Plus or minus the square root of what? 4 times 10 all over 6. Right? So this now becomes minus 8. Right? Plus or minus the square root of 4 times the square root of 10 all over 6. Look, I'm always saying all over so that you don't stop it halfway. All over. The sign, the line goes across the entire equation. So we have this as minus 8 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. So we have it as 2 with 10, right? All over what? 6. So we now come here just to reduce it further. So from here we can actually reduce it further. So what we're having our equation to be is what? Minus 8, right? Plus 2 root 10 all over 6, or, right? minus 8 minus 2 root 10 all over 6. And this going further? Yes. Yes, we can try to reduce it further. You just try to simplify as much as possible, which is equal to what? Minus 8 all over 6 plus 2 root 10 all over 6. This one is the or. Minus 8 all over 6 minus 2 root 10 all over 6. So this one can cancel 2 here, 3, 2 here, 4, right? 2 cancels here, 1, 2 here, what? 3. So we have this as 4 plus 2 root 10 all over 3, or the same thing, 3 here, 3, 2 here, 4, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. You see we have it as 4, we can have it 4 over 3 minus root 10 over 3. Sorry, these two have already cancelled out, so you're not going to be seeing 2. The 2 have cancelled out, so it's 4 plus root 10. 4 plus root 10. So this can also be equal to, if you just want to make it more simple, this can also be equal to 4 over 4 minus 10 all over 4 minus 10 all over 3. I don't know why this thing is doing like this. 4 minus 10 all over 3, that's what you get your final answer to be. So also from here, you can cancel from here. So you can also cancel here to see. If you're not someone that gets confused about cancellation, if 2 can go into all of it. If you cancel from here, 2 goes here, 2 can cancel out here, 2 goes here, 3, here goes here, 4, and you still arrive at the same answers.